Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to crop your background in Canva. First of all, head over to Canva website and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, you can create a design or use any one of the templates from here. After that, upload the image which you want to crop the background of. Or you can also use the images from here. I'm going to use this one. Now right click on it and select Set Image as Background option. After that, click on the image and you can see Edit Image button here. Now you can see Background Remover option under Magic Studio. Click on it. So that is how you can remove background on Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.